What's going on, Man's Broadcasters? My name's Amit Singh Man and welcome to Man's Broadcast. I'm currently walking to school right now and this is a 2-minute vlog, guys. Yes, basically it's snowing, as you can see. Just look at this, it's absolutely amazing. And look at these cars looking at me. It's absolutely amazing. And guys, like, just think about it. I look like a weirdo. I'm like the only person on this street. And guys, oh crap, this lady. So she's thinking like, what the hell, I'm such a weirdo, I'm vlogging in the snow. Guys, this is such an important thing in my life, basically, because it's snowing in, oh crap, people are looking at me. It's because, look, guys, it hardly ever snows in England. Guys, just look at this, it's amazing. It feels like Christmas Day. And I'm currently actually walking to school, and guys, I'm gonna try and keep you updated with the weather. It's currently really fun. I've got my jacket on. I look white because it's me. Guys, I'm gonna take a selfie with the car. Okay, great. Oh, my car's ready. So broadcasters, I hope you enjoyed this 2-minute vlog. It was snowing, I had to show you it. So yeah, until next time, my name's Amit Singh Man. You're the broadcasters. Goodbye. So broadcasters have just arrived in school. How is school open today, then? So broadcasters, I just came back from school. I'm walking back. As you can see, the snow is still here. It's quite snowy. This is a 2-minute vlog, so I don't know where I am right now. Oh yeah, by the way, if you were realizing, if you guys don't know how they changed this, the man's just changing that thing right there. Okay, broadcasters, I don't know really what else to say. I just made this vlog because it's a 2-minute vlog, it's a short vlog. I got so excited with the snow. I've never seen snow before. So yeah, again, it was snowing in UK. Of course, we just came back early from school. We were meant to finish 3:30, but it finished 12 o'clock, so I've just come back early. Until next time, guys, my name's Amit Singh Man. You're the broadcasters. Goodbye.
I gave you my heart.